So now that we know what the chain rule is, let's do some examples. The first one we have is sine of 4x. On this, the outside function is sine x, and the inside function is 4x. So to derive this, first you take the derivative of sine x, which is cosine x. But you have to be sure to keep the inside the same, so it is actually cosine of 4x. Then you take the derivative of 4x, which is just 4. And then the last step is to multiply them together. So the derivative of sine of 4x is 4 cosine 4x. Okay, that was pretty simple, so now we're going to move on to a little bit more complicated example, which is x squared plus 3x, all that to the 4th. Now in this, the outside function is clearly x to the 4th, and the inside function is everything else, so x squared plus 3x. Okay, so what you're going to do, just like the last one, first you derive the outside, which is 4x cubed, but you have to keep the same inside, so it's, or 3x cubed, sorry, no, 4x cubed, right, I was right. So 4 times the quantity x squared plus 3x, and all of that to the 3rd, x squared plus 3x to the 3rd. And then you derive the inside, which is 2x plus 3, and then you multiply those together. And you could probably simplify it further than that, but for the interest of learning the chain rule, you do not have to do that, so we're not going to.
So, in case if you're wondering how you're going to remember all this information, just remember this rap. Break it down.
Okay, here we go. Chain rule, ain't nothing cool in the chain rule. Take the derivative of the outside, which we will say is sine. So now you end up with cosine. But wait, keep the inside, which is what we now derive. We'll say that it's x times cosine pi, which will become just pi. Then what you do last is multiply. And what you multiply is what you derive, so the answer will be cosine pi x times pi. Yeah. Yeah.
Steal the mic. Be hard with the beat. I'm out. Peace.